Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a secondary router of Worldlink. Start by identifying the router model and find the WAN and LAN ports. Power on both routers and connect them with an Ethernet cable. Access the secondary router web interface by entering its IP in your browser. Choose access point or bridge mode, disable DHCP on the secondary device, and assign a static LAN IP that does not conflict with the primary router. Connect the secondary router physically before touching any settings. This avoids confusion later. Plug the Ethernet cable into the primary router LAN port and into the secondary router WAN or LAN port depending on your chosen topology. Power both units and wait for stable LED indicators. If using a switch, connect it between routers for multiple wired devices. Confirm the secondary router boots fully before proceeding to the web configuration in the next step. Open a browser and enter the secondary router IP to access its admin panel. Change the admin password and update firmware if available. Disable DHCP so the primary router handles IP assignment, then assign a static LAN IP within the primary router subnet, but outside its DHCP range. Configure wireless settings, selecting the same SSID for seamless roaming or a different SSID to manually control connections, and choose a clear channel to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.